My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, make una come o. Wonders dey say it shall never end. At an early hour of today, na Ipa Ned Nwoko, the billionaire philanthropist wey be senator for Abuja, arrive in hometown saying that he wan go campaign for the next coming election to become senator for the second time. Na im be dis particular video wey una dey see so. Dis was his arrival, and according to am, see wetin im post. E say, "I have formally told my people I am returning to the Senate to continue and complete the work they entrusted me to." The reception in Asaba was powerful, deeply moving even, not expected, because I understand the connection we share, but emotional in a way that brings everything into perspective. Moment like this reminds me why I started this journey in the first place: to serve, to speak, and to deliver for Anioma. The road to 2027 is clear, and we'll move forward together. Na how im take come drop dis particular post. My people, no be for where wey dem do am welcoming wey people gather like dis, na there wey e end o. Dem make sure say dem drag Ipa legelege like I pass my neighbour generator. As all dis people wey gather wey we dey see like dis, dem gather finish do am welcoming, for him to come enter the main campaign now, to go stand under canopy dey shout APC, senatorial, all the promises, wetin im go do, this one, that one. Dem say people were nowhere to be found. Hey, una remember say na just last week na im Okowa o, of all people wey be say im squander, e thief money wey from another party come join APC. All of a sudden, e no be thief again. Na im wan come even dey contest with Ipa Ned Nwoko, saying that he should drop down, and the both of them now come dey the APC. And you know say for APC government, whatever you do, you are very correct. Even if you don pack all the country money, for the fact say you don enter APC, your sins are forgiven. Now, dem finish do am welcoming. Na so o. Where you go know say omo, dis Regina Daniel, hey God o, dis girl, when im mama talk am say im pikin grace, im pikin light, na im Ned Nwoko dey use, people no believe. They were like, the woman too dey hype. What is she hyping? What is she even saying? My people, no be lie na im she lie o. Now, people wey dem dey around, wey dem dey Asaba, wey dem hear say Ned Nwoko enter im state for campaign, people started coming around to really know if na true say im come around. Na im Stanley on top, wey we all know, enter go use im eye see, because he has been a supporter of Regina Daniel, no be today. According to his own report now, e say Senator Prince Ned Nwoko arrive Asaba, the Delta State capital, as he declare his intention to run for the Delta North senatorial seat 2027, reassuring the good people of Delta North of his continuous commitment to quality presentation, infrastructural development, human capital development, as well security, youth empowerment, and employment opportunity. Abeg, I wan laugh. We don't want you again in Delta North. We shall retire you come 2027 general election. You have done absolutely nothing for Delta North. We need a leader, not an oppressor. Stanley cares, Stanley on top cares. Na how e take come drop dis particular post o. Hey! Omo no be small thing o. The comment section everybody dey say we no want am, we no want am, we no want am, we no want am. According to dis first commenter, e say una remember dis man today, since Gina left nobody sabi am again. And the person say I will vote for him instead of Okowa. And the person say he may lose o, Regina seems to be his good luck energy. And the person say if because Regina you are saying that him will not win, with God he will win. God has the final say. And the person say Chinedu you no go smell that seat again o, with fire emoji. And the person say speak for yourself, his work so far should win for him. You Gina's fans are wailing in vain. And this person say why will you say Ipa did not do anything for them? He did according to information. They said he used connections and power to collect some most of their lands and put them in the bar. Is that one not something? Yes, he did not do something for them, but he did them something. Hey, voila. So everybody just they come out. Na im dis person say dis man fit marry all the Delta girls if he win, but I doubt his win. People dey come out o, dem no wan gree at all o say Ipa enter house na marriage you go later use take capture all the girls wey dem dey there. As if that was not enough, you go still come collect their land for their hand again, come dey yarn story. So dem no want you, abeg leave dem alone. All those things na so dem start dey drag Ipa dey go, dey drag am dey come o. Hey, omo, true true na im dem dey talk say Regina Daniel na iron, na stone wey dey bend iron, abi na iron wey dey bend stone. How she even take call herself? When she bin dey talk, people no go believe. They go think say na thing of joke. Omo no be thing of joke at all o. Standing on top, una know say na Delta there na im dey. Asaba na im dey. So im don already know what's up. People no turn up again after dem do am welcoming wey everybody gather. Dem do video finish, dem carry trumpet blow trumpet, dem gather thank you, gather very much. All the women dey assemble theirself, dey dance. After the dance come the campaign. Now for the campaign na where dem go start dey promise wetin dem no fit do. Promise thank you, promise very much. Dem go dey talk a lot. At the end of the day, after the talking, dem go start dey do another thing. Even though some people say im still try pass Okowa. Okowa wey dey drag with her now, dey say im still try pass am. Say na the one wey be say Okowa go enter, e better make dem vote for Ipa. But still people still dey reason am say dem no go fit risk am, because dem fit come go vote for Ipa now. By the time wey e enter, e go come use oppression dey pursue dem up and down. E go dey pursue dem up and down, come go collect their land join am, and so on and so forth. So nothing like that. Dem no want all those kind thing. My people, it is well o. Una don see say Regina Daniel get power. Her power pass the one wey we dey see, wey we dey hear. Her power and her grace, e carry a lot. As if that was not even enough, ever since Regina left, wey dem do their drama, wey she stop to dey talk about am, who dey even hear am? But before, even as small pikin na you see, you tell am say tell me one senator that you know. Ipa will be the first wey the pikin go talk. But now nothing o. Now nothing. My people, nothing. Nobody dey hear about am again. Omo, like joke, Regina don carry her blessing, carry all her gift, carry everything put together, waka o. Last shame don catch who e wan catch. It is well o. People of Delta, make una come see una senator. E say im wan return back o. E say im wan return back o. Make una come answer una senator. Make una give am lis ten ing ears. Oh. Make una give am lis ten ing ears. He don talk am say he no go oppress una. Make una just allow am make him win. Say him go do many many good things according to the Ipa. It is well o, but Reji you do this one. As e be say na she wey dem want, na she wey dem accept. Only him now come dey boycott the come. E no even carry any woman follow body. E no carry the Leila follow body. Make e no be like say you no understand. Yawa, e don finally gas. Everywhere don finally suburb, everywhere don stew. I remain your humble girl gifted gist. Na me dey bring una latest o. I say make I carry this one come drop am for una as e dey hot. Make una hear update. Say una Ipa don start campaign o. E don dey go from one place to the other. Now dem wan come dey play all his scores for am, all the things wey he don do. Make you go know say his coming out on social media to come and drag Regina Daniel was never the best option. Person wey bin advise am say make him do that thing, the person bin no try for am. Na now him go know say there is different from I was there and I shall be there. My people, na the update with this o. Make una suffer come drop una comment for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl gifted. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.